Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Python in Windows. Make sure to subscribe this channel. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First of all, open any browser you have. Then search for Python and hit enter. Click on the first website that says Welcome to Python. Now scroll down until you find the download section and click on the latest Python 3.1.3.0. Once there, scroll down until you find the section named Files. Once there, click on the link Windows 64-bit installer. And download the file. Click on the downloaded file and run it. Now on the installation setup, check the box that says add python.exe to path. And click on install now. It will take some time. Till then, make sure to like this video. Now, after the installation is complete, click on Close to close the setup. And click on Search. And search for idle. This is where you can edit your Python codes. So that's it, you have installed Python, the latest version. And that's all for the video. If you like it, make sure to comment and subscribe, and like the video and comment which tutorial you want next. So that's all today, we will meet in next tutorial. Goodbye.